In our last lecture, we covered problem number 9, the full AI proposal builder. How Sambid writes you a complete 7-section proposal from your real data in about 3 minutes. You can check that one out in the playlist, Win U.S. Federal Contracts, SAM.gov. Now let's move to problem number 10 and how we solve it. Every proposal on Earth asks for this, past performance. In simple words, show us what you've done before. You dig through old contracts, old emails, that folder called Important Do Not Delete for days, like an archaeologist in your own company. And every project ends up described in a different style, because you wrote each one at midnight from memory. Here's exactly how Sambid fixes it. It builds you a structured past performance record, so every project you've done lives in one place, in one consistent format, ready to reuse. And when the AI proposal builder runs, it doesn't dump your entire history in. It automatically picks the most relevant ones for this specific contract and formats them the same professional way every time. Days of digging become 0, and your history finally works for you. And I'll show you in the dashboard exactly how this works. Okay, I just showed you the archaeologist problem, digging through old emails and old folders for days. Now let's actually look at how Sambid fixes that, one piece at a time, using the real page. Step 1. This page is called Past Performance. Right at the top, it already tells you the point of it in one line. One-click export for SF330 proposals. If you've never heard that term, SF330 is just the government standard form for showing your company's qualifications and past work. So this whole page exists to feed that form automatically. Step 2. There's a search bar, so you can find any past project by title, agency, contract number, or scope, plus filters for role and CPARS rating. And in the top right, one button, Add Record. That's where every entry starts. Step 3. Click it and a form opens. Add Past Performance. And right under the title, it reminds you exactly why you're filling this in. Used in proposals as SF330 Part 2 citations. It's broken into 4 short tabs, so it never feels like one giant form. Step 4. Tab 1. Contract Info. Project title, contract number, task order number, contract type, your role, whether you are prime or a sub. The agency and sub-agency, contract value, both original and final, start and end dates, NAICS code, set-aside type, and place of performance. This is the factual skeleton of the project. Step 5. Tab 2. Scope and work. This is the important one, a 2 to 4 sentence scope summary, and it tells you plainly, this text will appear word for word in your SF330 citations. So you write it once, carefully, and it's done forever. Below that, key deliverables, technologies and skills, and tags for search. Step 6. Tab 3. Contact and rating. Here you set your CPARS performance rating. Exceptional, very good, satisfactory, marginal, unsatisfactory, or not rated. Plus the point of contact's name, title, phone, and email. The real government contact who can vouch for this project if an agency ever asks. Step 7. Tab 4. Key personnel. Add the actual people who worked this contract, their name, title or role, and their clearance level if they had one. Step 8. Click Add Record, and that project is saved forever, structured, consistent, ready to reuse. Do this once per project, and you never have to write it from memory at midnight again. And here's why this actually matters, beyond just saving time. When you have a clean, structured past performance record like this, it becomes proof, real proof, that you can deliver. Agencies don't just want promises, they want a track record. This turns your work history into a competitive weapon you can point to in seconds. And here's something for the newer companies watching this, the ones without 10 years of federal contracts behind them yet. Don't be afraid to go after your first award because you think your history isn't big enough. Every single contractor with a long past performance list started with 0 records in a page exactly like this one. Add your very first contract, even a small one, and from that day forward, it starts working for you in every proposal after it. And here's exactly where this lives. This is the past performance repository page, right inside your dashboard. Everything I just walked you through, the search, the add record form, the 4 tabs, it's all right here on this one page. Now, before I go, my whole goal with this channel is to make your path to actually winning opportunities on SAM.gov easier, one real problem at a time. So if this helped you, hit that subscribe button. It costs you nothing, and it genuinely helps this channel grow. And drop a comment below. Tell me, is your past performance information organized right now, or is it scattered across old emails and folders? I read every single comment, and your answers decide what I cover next.